When you drive through Wildlife Ranch, each trip can show you something different. Many of the animals you'll see come from Africa. One of the animals that commands the most attention is the ostrich. The ostrich is the largest of all birds. The young are hatched a brown-gray color, and the females stay this color while the males turn black as they mature. When it comes to breeding, ostriches have a common nest with the males laying on the eggs at night while the females sit on the nest during the day. The ostrich is the only bird in the world that has 2 toes, and these birds can be aggressive, especially during mating season. They like to carve out their own territory, which they'll let you know about by doing a little dance number. One of the more colorful African animals you'll see here is the zebra. Much like the saying, no 2 snowflakes have the same pattern, no 2 zebras have the same stripe pattern. In fact, each zebra has a different pattern on the opposite side of its own body. Although they look nice and friendly, watch out, they are very aggressive and have a mean bite like their cousin the horse. Make sure to just drop their food on the ground. The zebra weighs up to 600 pounds and can live as long as 25 years. Many of the animals you'll see here either have horns or antlers. The Dama gazelle has horns that are oval to round with 18 to 23 rings and are smooth on the end. An animal that has horns keeps them year-round. Both the males and females of this species have horns. The color of their coat varies according to their age and the season. The scimitar horned oryx has horns. This species is highly endangered and will put up quite a fight if attacked by another animal, using the horns to spear the attacker to death. Animals like the fallow deer have palmated antlers like the moose, and they grow these and lose them every year. Their coats come in 3 colors: white, chocolate, and spotted. The Adax is from Africa, found in the Sahara Desert. Their light-colored coat helps reflect sunlight, keeping them cooler. This is a highly endangered species, but they breed exceptionally well in captivity. They can grow to weigh as much as 250 pounds. The eland is another African animal and the largest of all antelope species. This animal is extremely docile and can leap as high as 6 feet. Also in the antelope family is the springbok. When they are excited or alarmed, they leap in the air with their heads lowered, back arched, and they pull erect a row of white hair on their backs. Then they spring up and down. This is called pronking. They can leap as high as 10 feet. The African watusi is the largest horned animal in the world. Their spread from tip to tip can be over 6 feet. Both sexes have horns, and they get their name from the Watusi tribesmen. The wildebeest, or white-bearded gnu, is one of the largest antelope. Dutch settlers in South Africa named the animal wildebeest, which means wild beast. They can be very aggressive.